If our film was to be distributed by a company that specialised in horror, such as Maxim Media, we would have to focus more on the horror side of it, and also probably have to add a lot more gore and special effects in so that it would fit with the genre of films that Maxim Media distribute, such as Slices of Life and Backslasher. Which would mean that we'd have to forget the drama side of our film. However, our film is based quite a bit around the drama side of it, meaning we'd lose part of our storyline if we changed for this distributor. However, if our film was to be distributed by a big American company such as Warner Brothers, we'd have to include less gore and less horror so that it could be viewed by a wider audience. Also, the budget of our film would have been a lot larger if it had been distributed by Warner Brothers, as they are a bigger company, meaning more money could have gone into the project, which would have meant we would have made it good enough that we didn't need the horror and gore to draw people into our film. However, they have distributed films like ours, such as Friday the 13th and Nightmare on Elm Street. We decided to go with Entertainment Film as the distributor for our film, as it was a happy medium between the budget and target audience that we'd get if we went with Warner Brothers, and between the how much gore we'd allow and how much story we'd still have to keep if we went with Maxim. With this, with Entertainment, we reach more of our target audience, and whereas with Maxim it's more aimed at a niche audience. We decided this was the best distributor to go with, as they've distributed films such as Halloween 2 and The Crow, meaning that they're similar to our films, so the audience for those would probably also be interested in our film.